Hello everyone and welcome back to another design video. In today's video, we're going to be creating a brand for a personal vegetarian chef from scratch. And I'll be taking you guys throughout the design process. So let's get started. The first part of this project is creating a mood board. If you don't know what a mood board is or how to create one, then check out this video on how to create a mood board to get started. So let's take a quick look at the client brief for our imaginary brand. Our client Riley prepares vegetarian meals for people who appreciate healthy and flavorful meals. He wants a brand identity and also a business card. So to get started in designing our mood board, we need to take a look at our Pinterest board. As you can see here, I have gathered some images that shows the vibe and style I'm going for this brand. I want something minimalistic and not the usual green color palettes used for healthy related brands. I want something that's minimalistic, premium, luxurious with just a touch of green. So now we have our Pinterest board sorted out. Let's make our mood board. We're going to drag your images into Illustrator and you can start building out your mood board from there. Now we have our mood board. We can see the vibe I was going for coming together beautifully. Like I mentioned before, many brands use green color palettes when designing healthy brands, and I wanted something different out of the box, but still you can tell that it's for a healthy related brand. With our mood board complete, we can now move to the next stage, which is logo design. In this stage, we're going to be looking for fonts and manipulating the font to give us the type of logo we are going for. If you take a look at our mood board again, you can see the typography and font added, and we will be using that as a guide for choosing fonts in creating our logo. So these are the fonts I picked for the logo, and now we are going to select the one we are going to be using for the logo. I tweak it a little bit to give us what we are going for. Out of the three fonts that are here, I'm looking for one that is more masculine and looks modern. And so far, it's only the middle one that is giving me that kind of feel. So we are going to be using the middle text. We're going to delete the other text and just use the middle one. And the middle one, there's nothing much to tweak apart from the E and maybe the G a little bit. So that's what we're going to be doing. So now I've created the text part of the Riley green. I wanted to add like a text combination with the arrow and the G on top of the text. So I'll bring that in and try to join them together. So I'm just moving things around to see which one looks best. So we have our primary logo ready. Next is to create secondary logo and also submark. final look of our logo variations and what they look like on black and white, some brand related photos, and also the color palette we chose. Now our next stage is implementing mockups for our brand. So let's get some mockups. I find free mockups from sites like Mockup Bee, Good Mockups, Free Pick, and Mr. Mockup. And if you know any other free sites you can check for mockup, please drop it down in the comments. I really appreciate that. So we're just going to be designing the images we are going to put on our mockup and go to Photoshop, apply it there. If you want a detailed video on how to use mockups, let me know in the comments and I'm going to make one for you guys. So now we have our mockup ready with all our designs. Here's the final look for Riley Green.